Hare Krishna, all glories to Srila Prabhupada. So today we are going to make a skirt of Tulsi Maharani. So we'll start now with the measurement of taking a pawn. So see here I have this port, and the measurement of this port is 8 inch. So I'll take the cloth plus 1 inch. So I'll take the cutting of cloth 9 inch. And now I can make the round skirt. So the measurement can be taken twice of it. So it's 35. So 35 multiplied by 2 is equals to approx 70 inches. I can take the round circle. So I have already cut this cloth of 9 inch. 8 inch is the measurement and plus 1 inch. So it is the 9 inch cloth by here. This is the 70 inch. 60 here. This is 60 inch. 57, 58, 59, 60 inch, and here 10 extra. So I have taken this 70 inch cloth. So 9 by 70. So now same, this is the cotton fabric cloth. So same measurement I have taken it 9 by 70 inch. And now I have some laces to put on it. So we'll paste it later on. So we'll start now. So now I have this another cloth for belt for the skirt of Tulsi Maharani. So the measurement of this belt is 4 inch by 25 inch. So I have taken plus 2 inch because I have to fold it from the corners like this. So I have taken the measurement of this 4 by 25 plus 2 inch means 4 by 27 inch. So now we'll start stitching this. So this is the cloth, cotton fabric cloth. We just put it down, and another cloth of this Georgette fabric cloth just put on it, and but remember that the faces should be upside down. So we take this like this, and we stitch here. We stitch here from the 3 corners, this, and again this. So we start stitching this. So all 3 corners we have to stitch from here, and then we'll go there, here, and from the another side. So all 3 sides we have to stitch, and the 4th side should be open. Now we have this cloth for belt. So we fold it in such a way like this, and then again we have to fold it from the corners, from both the sides of the corners like this. 1 fold and then again 2 fold, and make a stitch here like this. So now see, we have stitched 3 sides of this body part, and now this is the open part on the top, and this is the belt part which is also open from the top. See, like this. So we keep this belt part and we paste the body part on it. Both should be open from the top. See, so now only the body part we take, and we make plates of it like this, and then again like this, and we just paste on it till the end, and we stitch here like this till the end. So now we stitched this fully till the end, and we made plates like this. And now see, this is the body, this is the top part, belt part, we take like this and we again fold on it like this, and we make a stitch here. This on it downwards. So now we have completed this stitching the upper part, the belt part of Tulsi Maharani skirt, and we also added a lace on it, and similarly like this we also added the lace on the bottom part. So now I have this thread, so see, this is the safety pin I stick on it, and now I put this on the upper part. See, this is the open area. I'll put in this thread. So now see, we have completed this dress of Tulsi Maharani. Now we will offer this dress to Tulsi Maharani. See, and we tie a knot here. Now see how the dress of Tulsi Maharani looks like. The skirt of Tulsi Maharani looks like. It should be open from the one part. We should not stitch here. It is open from the last part. So see how it looks like. And after this, before completing this Tulsi Maharani skirt, I completed similarly Shri Gaur Nitai's dress today. Shri Gaur Nitai ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai.